Hello everyone, that was a minute of raw gameplay of my game Simon the Spaceman. I will now go on to talk about the features of the game and the objective and the process of making it. So first of all, this game is a sort of an adventure collectible sort of game. So you go around, you've got to collect the parts for your ship while trying to keep your player alive. Simon has an oxygen tank, so his oxygen goes down every 5 seconds, and you have to collect like the green packages around the map, which should be oxygen plants, to increase your oxygen. When your oxygen gets to 0, your health will slowly start to deteriorate, and to get your health back up, you have to fill your oxygen tank back up. And yeah, once you collect all your parts, that is when you complete the game and you win. So there is a series of parkour levels around the map. And at the end of each parkour there's a part, and you also have a little green companion that follows you around. You only have 1 life to complete the whole thing, so makes it a lot harder, and when you do die you have to restart the whole game. Okay, so moving on to the process of making the game, I first made the landscape using the landscape tools in Unreal. I then started to model some assets, so I started off with a rocket ship and some basic rocks and some trees. Here you can see the progress of me making the rocket ship. And yeah, here's the character model for Simon and the little alien. I ended up changing that at some point as well. I didn't take many screenshots of the actual modelling of the character, but it was just very basic circles and cubes, not very complex character. Here's me making the trees. I was using the NURBS, which was pretty interesting. And then here's me texturing the trees. Not really texturing them, but adding colour to the trees and getting ready to export them into Unreal. I then started placing some assets around the map of my landscape. The landscape has been recolored at this point. I didn't really like the colours, are a bit oversaturated, so I toned them down a little bit. And yeah, here's me placing some more of the trees, trying to fill the landscape up a little bit. And I also used the foliage tool as well to place all the grass down. I used a low poly grass asset pack on the Unreal Marketplace. All the references will be in the description. And here's my first animation of Simon and actually getting the character walking about. I'll show you how I rigged him up. I used the Mixamo from Adobe. I just got some very basic animations from here and rigged up Simon like that. I then added a custom shader over the top of it, a cell shaded custom shader. So everything in the map's now cell shaded to make it give it like that cartoon look. I also then display some white box level design here. I've laid out all my levels with just basic white cubes and cylinders. Here's some of the custom UI elements that I made. This is for the main menu. I used a software called Procreate. All of the external tools I use are going to be in the description of the video, as well as all the YouTube video links in the description as well. And here's me versioning my game as well in GitHub. I also show a controller demo in this video as well. This is just the end of the game when I actually win, to show that there's a win screen at the end as well. So I'll let the rest of this gameplay play out, let you see the win screen, and then after this there will be a controller demo to show that the controller works. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Mm-hmm.